In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display language on CoinGecko account. If you prefer reading crypto data in your native language or are learning a new one, switching the interface takes just a moment. I'll walk you through where to click and what to expect on desktop or mobile, so you can make the site feel familiar. First, open your web browser and head to the official CoinGecko homepage at coingecko.com. You can type it into the address bar or use a bookmark if you have one saved. Give the page a second to load completely. Language options are part of the site's interface, so they appear once the homepage is ready. If you're on mobile, this works the same way from your phone's browser. You don't need to sign in for this, but if you are signed in, the preference may be remembered on that device. Next, locate the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and is usually in the upper right area of the page. On some screens, it may appear inside or next to the main menu. Click the gear to open a quick settings panel. This panel groups common preferences in one place so you can change them without leaving the page. In the settings panel, find the language option. This controls the language of menus, labels, and interface text across CoinGecko. Go ahead and click language to open the list of available choices. You'll see multiple options and the current selection will be highlighted. Now select the language you want to use. The site will switch immediately or after a brief moment, and you should see navigation items, buttons, and section headings change into your chosen language. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a second or refresh the page. On mobile, you might need to tap outside the panel to close it after choosing. That's it. The display language has been changed. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you accidentally pick a language you don't recognize, open the gear again and select the topmost language you're comfortable with. The position of the language option stays in the same place in the panel, which makes switching back easier. Remember, this setting affects interface text only. Coin prices and data remain the same. Finally, if you use multiple browsers or devices, repeat the same clicks on each one to keep your experience consistent. You've successfully changed the display language on your CoinGecko account. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing in the language that works best for you.